Okay, so we're now looking at integers plus booleans in our typecasting section, and in fact we're going to see that there's no typecasting that's needed, but let's just have a look at this. So we're just scrolling down to the section, integers plus booleans, and just as a reminder, we could do I equals 10, and we could also do b equals true, or we could set b equals false on two separate lines, but we choose to use this unpacking method just for convenience and being concise. So I is 100, the integer is 100, and b, the boolean, is true, and we're then going to do the result, so get the sum of the integer plus the boolean, and let's see what happens. We've done an integer plus a float, now we're going to do an integer plus a boolean. And we're also going to, after we print the result, we're also going to print the type of the result. And when we run this, we get 101 and we get the class of integer. Now, why do we get 101? We can already see or infer that this true somehow has been converted into a 1. And the reason why is because Booleans either take the value of false or the value of true, and false in terms of its integer representation is a 0, and true in terms of its integer representation is a number 1. So we get 100 plus 1 without having to do any typecasting. The Python interpreter already does the type inference effectively for us and converts the Boolean into an integer for us, and therefore we get the 101. And if we were to, we could check this out because we could put in false, and we will get 100, which is 100 plus 0. So this is typecasting of true there. Put the true back in here. This is not just typecasting, this is type inference actually. So we don't need any typecasting when we add an integer plus a boolean in Python. So it's all very easy.